Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to discuss a poll that I posted on this channel a day ago, and the poll was basically asking if you wanted to see some gold. Now I gave two options. The first was no, I sub for silver, and the second option was yes please. The poll received 49 votes in total, and 73% of people that voted said they would like to see some gold. So I wanted to post a video first just asking those of you that didn't see the poll and didn't vote, just to ask if you wanted to see some gold on this channel. Now, as you know, the channel is mainly based on stacking silver. I personally prefer stacking silver. I think it's got a greater upturn potential long term. Living in the UK, I actually pay VAT when I'm buying silver. However, that doesn't deter me, it doesn't put me off. Like I said, I do think silver has a greater potential. But yeah, let me know if you'd like to see some gold on this channel. I'm happy to get some gold out to show you. I haven't got a hell of a lot of gold. I've got a fairly decent sized stack of gold, but none of it's stored on site. It's all at different locations, so it would take me a while to get it together, but I'm happy to start getting it together and doing some videos on it if you'll be interested to see that. Now, this channel will always be predominantly silver, hence the channel name. And like I said, because I think it's got a greater potential long term, I will always prioritize buying silver over gold. However, personally, I think it's quite important to diversify, and that is why I do have gold in my stack as well. So yeah, just let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see some videos on gold, and if you would, I'll start making some videos and getting them out there for you to have a look at. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting this channel. We've just hit 500 subscribers, which is amazing. Really chuffed. Like I've said in previous videos, I can't believe how quick this channel's growing. Such a great stacking community. I love how everyone supports everyone and everyone's trying to push each other's channels up. You don't get that with some of the other communities on YouTube. Other communities try and bring each other down to make their channels look better, whereas you just don't get that with the stacking community. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.